The Transport Ministry has announced a reversal of the increase in toll rates along the North-South Highway. This follows an ease in the shortage of coins. In a statement this afternoon, Transport Minister Mike Henry said the rollback should be effective this weekend. The Ministry of Transport faced intense criticism at yesterday's sitting of Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee (PAAC) for its failure to reverse the changes immediately. Mr. Henry says motorists using the Caymanas to Angel's Leg of the highway felt the brunt of the increase. Meanwhile, the Transport Minister says he has not yet received a final application from the toll road operator for a rate review. He said this must be received 60 days in advance of the effective date of the variation of the rates. This is in keeping with the concession agreement between the government and toll road operator. The changes in toll rates usually takes effect in September.
Our top story today, controversial clause. Senate approves bill to strengthen anti-corruption systems, but senators butt heads over clause that would allow cabinet to declare some contracts as off-limits for investigations. Still ahead, heating up, controversy in the race to replace Portia Simpson-Miller in Southwest St. Andrew. And in the business news, show me the money. Sandals Resorts International looks to Wall Street for financing. We'll be right back.